How to get ILR from UK spouse visa 5-year route. Today's video discusses how you can transition from a UK spouse visa to indefinite leave to remain. So, make sure to watch this video till the end to avoid missing out on helpful information. Don't forget to support our channel by sharing our videos on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter so that we can continue to bring you the latest immigration updates. A non-British person whose partner holds British citizenship, pre-settled status, ILR, ECAA, settled status, refugee or humanitarian protection, can use a UK spouse visa to join them. You may go for an indefinite leave to remain once you complete 5 years on a UK spouse visa. For those who don't know, ILR lets a person live and work in the UK permanently without restrictions. So, how can a spouse visa holder apply for an indefinite leave to remain? For starters, you must have lived in the UK for 5 years on a UK spouse or partner visa before applying for an ILR. Individuals who received their spouse visas before the 9th of July 2012 can go for ILR after completing 2 years in the UK. Let's take a look at the ILR requirements for spouse or partner visa holders. First, eligibility requirements. Interestingly, the eligibility requirements are different for a 5 years route and a 10-year route. You are allowed to utilize the time you spent in the UK through other visas if you opted for a 10-year route in the beginning. On the other hand, those on a 5-year route don't enjoy this relief, meaning they are refrained from including other visas, such as a fiancé, fiancée, or proposed civil partner. Now, we'll talk about the financial requirements. You don't have to fulfill any financial requirements if you apply for an ILR after spending 10 continuous years in the UK. As far as people on a 5-year route are concerned, they must have an annual income of at least £18,600. This also applies to their partner. Those who have dependent children who do not have British citizenship or ILR status must provide the following extra finances to meet the eligibility criteria. Additional £3,800 a year for the first child. An additional £2,400 a year for every child that followed your first child. Moving on, it's time to discuss language and life in the UK requirement. Individuals aged 18 to 64 years old are required to book and pass the life in the UK test. Plus, they have to fulfill the English language requirement. You may prove your proficiency in the English language by obtaining a degree in English or securing a recognized English qualification with at least level B1 in listening and speaking. Let's now see how can you apply. You need to apply online by providing the following documents and information. Proof of where you live in the UK and your income if you are on the 5 or 10-year route. Proof that you have been living in the UK with your partner after receiving your last visa. You need to prove that your relationship with your partner is genuine. Lastly, you must submit proof that you passed the life in the UK test and you fulfilled the English language requirement. Our video update for today ends here. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on UK immigration. Thanks for watching.